Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com and your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces. This is your Tuesday forecast update, and we are going to get some welcome heat relief in a lot of areas today as the cold front is passing just north of the Arklatex. It has triggered some thunderstorms here, and a few of the storms likely to be severe. We're on the lookout for some large hail and, of course, some damaging wind gusts with any of the storms that are able to get going. But so far, so good, but we do have that severe thunderstorm watch in effect. Just our very northern tier of counties here, and that will go until 8 a.m. this morning. But we should begin to see most of the rain and exit the region here by about 10 a.m. or so. But some of the leftover clouds will really help out with the temperatures today. So you can see the big cluster of storms that has come together overnight here. And again, this initial round has kept most of the flash flooding and severe weather just north of the Arklatex. But we're watching the second round here, which is back towards Oklahoma City. These will be the cluster of storms that likely moves through McCurtain County as well as our Arkansas counties between now and about 10 a.m. this morning. So your temperatures here in the 70s and low 80s, definitely a warm morning, and won't tell you anything but a warm day today, but we're not going to have the intense heat as your temperature is pretty nice. 83 in DeQueen, may recover after some of the rain this morning and reach about 90 in Texarkana. Shreveport right at average at 96, and unfortunately will likely miss the rain here south of I-20, so that will send us back to about 100 degrees. We do have the excessive heat warning that is still in effect for Shelby County in Texas, but the rest of us has been downgraded to a heat advisory. And what that means, the heat index below 110 today, but probably closer to 105. And you can see the northern counties here will be pulled out of the advisory and warning altogether today, as we'll get some welcome relief. But enjoy that today, because we are going to warm up pretty quickly tomorrow, and likely we'll see the excessive heat warnings back in effect on pretty short order here. So look at the heat index today. You can see it's staying below 100 in the northern Arklatex. Unfortunately, we won't feel the many effects of the front here, I-20 and southward. So Shreveport, we're still showing a heat index up to about 108 or 109 this afternoon. And kind of back to the storms, we expect those will continue to move southeast this morning. So the furthest south that we could really see any severe weather today would be Shreveport, Minden, and some of these I-20 locations. But again, best push of rain will come through early in the day today. So taking a look at your Robinson Futurecast, it does show again quite a few storms passing through Arkansas, especially between 6 and 9 a.m. But after that, again, the storm threat will wind down, but we may have some lingering showers here again to keep those temperatures in the 80s. Unfortunately, we don't push that rain further south where we need it the most, where those drought conditions and burn bans have developed as well. And just a reminder, we now have a statewide burn ban in Louisiana and a number of burn bans here in East Texas as well. So hoping to get some rain here, but after today really starts to dry out for us. And what little rain we do see today, again, if the most, I think we could see some amounts, maybe 1 to 2 inches here in Arkansas if we can get a few rounds of storms going. But again, not going to be a big rainmaker for the rest of the region here. And after today, again, just partly cloudy and dry for the rest of the week. So that will send us back to 100 tomorrow, where we'll likely stay through the upcoming weekend.